I ain't standing there. Fuck that. Ah! Scared the shit out of me. There we go.
We need to do it again then.
Yeah, go on then.
Run it again.
That is nice.
Yeah, let's run it. Go on, go on.
It's always one. It's always one. A bit of friendly fire never hurt anybody.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
After the divorce.
Yeah. Click.
Ridiculous.
It's already bad.
Look, less ridiculous.
You'll have to take that off. Let's waste all my BBs.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Hello, Dean.
Not bad, not bad. My new build coming along.
Alright guys,
Slowly, slowly. I've been getting bits each week, you know,
around the games out there, there'll be 5 of these
Looks
boxes.
absolutely looks a bomb.
Any questions, guys?
Do not move the boxes.
Sorry?
Do not move the boxes.
Do not flip them over to the red side.
I just want to say something quick as well. The last...
Not that fucking ceiling, you knob. We are gonna get fucked up.
Fucked up.
Fucked up. I ain't standing there. Fuck that. Ah! Scared the shit out of me. Fucking guns jammed again. Fuck's sake. Ah! Oh shit. Ah shit. Hit. Hit. Good shot. Shit. Ah!
Oh.
It can. Ow! Oh!
You're taking that? That one in the blue, mate. I know, I just hit him. We on it, let's go.
Fat people coming through.
Fuck you.
Ah! Shit! Ah! Oh! Bastard! That window's up. Yeah. There's no one behind it. I want to shut that window. Ah! Shit! Hit! Oh! Ollie. Ollie, you know that window that goes up over there?
Yep.
They've got it up.
Got him.
Nice one. Let's go close that fucking window.
50-50.
No way. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hey, good shot. Hey. Gotcha. Fuck it hell. Got him.